for greet una so. Why you call now he body? Yeah. Where your car? How he did? How he body? So as I was saying, can you guys remember some time ago about same coronavirus? When coronavirus come, my person do marriage inside coronavirus. Useless wetin be the Gladys aka Kakabo, that useless she goat. She say there's almost all of us abi say they give all of us muta. You now know why video not come out again since then? Because of this. I have to wait 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6, 7, even the 8 months. Paper not come. They not carry muta come. Make una help me invite Gladys. I think Gladys saying he call Italian what be this man name? Say na he get head. Na he dey rule all. Na he marry Oyibo. He marry Moroccan Oyibo. Na he dey rule all the Platon. Na he dey rule Italy. Na he dey control Sindaco. He say he don call Sindaco. Say they don he speak with them. Say they go give us muta. Where muta? Muta not come since then. She not shame. If they talk say people. If they talk say people na Orionba wey they talk for Nigeria. Gladys supposed to be one of Orionba. Una go ask me the reason why I talk this word. Make Gladys be. Gladys supposed to join that Orionba for Benin. Paper not come. Muta not come. I think Gladys she was blabbing. She dey blab that time. She was on top of her voice. She dey shout, dey scream. Kakabo mama. Say now so they want bring paper come for us. Wait the paper. Paper never come. I waited for good 6 months. Paper not come. We are in the 8th month now, right? If I'm not mistaken, guys, we are in the 8th month. Paper not come. They not summon anybody. They not bring any paper of say they take give person muta. It not come. Who don't do that marriage? They do their marriage successfully. They don't enter house. Every day now they control the woman. You they check your boss. You they check your boss whether they bring paper come. Me they check my boss. Paper not come. Muta paper not come. Gladys and God go punish you. Gladys now Orionba for Gladys to put her sister. She put her sister for prison. I don't know yet the story say Gladys put his sister for prison many years ago. Person will put his sister for prison. He put his sister for prison. Things say go fit handle his sister children. He no fit. That kind of person, who they go call her? Who they go call that kind of person? Nemesis is waiting for her. She will see. Nemesis, they wait for her. Sorry, let me receive this call, please. Hello. I greet you. Good evening. Ify. What's up? How you doing? I pray man forget. I do a live video. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Not be lie. May I say, okay, wait till go up and I'll call you back, eh? And after my video, I'll call you back. Thank you. So, as I was saying, he put his sister, good evening. Oh, you're fired done with. I beg, don't be down with me now. He put his sister, person where he put his sister for prison. When I not remember, she not fear. She not talk about that story. When she see say people, don't they insult her, she can't later come out, can't talk bad side. She can't talk bad side of it. The reason why I come out, I said I waited for 6 to 8 months. We are in the 8th month now. The marriage took place inside March 20 or so, something like that. March 20, inside coronavirus. Now that marriage will take place. Mama Gladys one come talk. She said that all the old people will go the marriage. Now so they give the paper. Who they give paper? Where the paper we not see. We never see paper. That's why me, that woman. She want. I'll show now one video where she go to just now. Now better Ogu go kill am. I dey tell una. Better one. As soon as you see that woman, she's full of lies. Lie too full her mouth. Lie full her mouth from head to toe. If una know the kind of background wey she for come, many people they no say they no go dey watch her, they go dey insult her. If una know the kind of background, if una wan know the background wey she for come, many people go dey insult that woman. If una see wetin she do to her sister many years ago, if una see wetin she do her own sister, the same mama, the same papa, blood for that matter. That blood not touch that woman. That blood not roll for her vein. She will carry people matter. They come out for social media, they talk. When she know say she don't do bad thing. She don't do bad thing. Bad when she don't do full grant. May I play one video? When she know if see fear, she still carry people matter. Come outside, you want come talk. Who you want? Who people where you they tell? Many people don't already know you. They don't know you. With your fake life, she's living a fake life. Some time ago when she said she dey work for hotel, now May she dey go dey come now. All those Senegal, Burkina Faso, Gambia, they go fuck am. They go fuck am. They go fuck am. May I play one video where she go interfere? Interfere say she really say not be she, not be she dey bring people. You dey wait who wan even give you? Who wan give you? Person wey wan give you dey road dey come. Gladys, people are coming. People who want give you that paper, they come. And they come. Her sister, no, not talk that one. Say her sister, na lie. Na lie where Gladys talk. Now make the una call the talk her sister na manyash. Her sister not be manyash. Na lie. Na lie. She just find weird. She find way to take put that excuse, make people for believe. No worry, the main thing they come, the main saga they come. But never see her sister will soon come out. If you come out, una go hear story. Una hear wetin go happen. See.
They say there's someone them, not me. Okay. They say there's someone themselves, not me. They say who no better reach slippers where person wear. Who no better should not feel beggars make you pray for you. Okay. And if they curse you, not reach who you are, you can never, except you don't know the God Almighty that you are serving.
You know God.
Except you yourself, you are not.
Who they talk no know God oh. If you know God, you know God they do bad thing where she they do.
On Almighty God. Okay. The man called me this evening. He said they will be waiting for us, or he said they will be waiting for me on Saturday. Here we go. That's what they summon me for now. He said they say when they talk to Iyore, when they bring people down for social media. Now I say, please, can I see the video?
They need to summon sound. You need them. The words, even my own they come for road for you, says. My own they come for road for them.
For the Iyore home, I told you that I've already sent him a video. He said no, he said they don't get time to watch video. Now I said, what till I come get time to watch now?
If you're the matter what you put for her, say now you want to send the other video. You see, you hear them now.
There's someone me told I say, I thought and I said
now Ogyoba she be she Gladys is Ogyoba. Now mad family, now mad woman.
So the I don't know whether the credit finished or the contract. So on Saturday, the 10 o'clock.
And they feel it too. I get it why I open all those doors. Now you see my choice how they feel it. Man, I don't spoil my video. I just they watch since man no time I fit do this video. That's why they could do video.
He said there's a group that call them Wagyoba Dolodoji. I don't even know the name of the group.
Wagyoba Dolodoji. Ami ya no wi Wagyoba Dolodoji. They rock, but not say Wagyoba Dolodoji. Ya ahwa. O wa ya akwo la ko re wa za wa le dile. Awo je kita. O je gwe.
Okay. What if they don't follow our king to repair for that Benin? They think when I was shocked when I see BRB, you just vibrate, just Sabina, you are welcome. Sabina, you're welcome, sister. Joy, you are welcome. No one can give thanks. Go see receive the wrath of God. Let's send in a video. Okay.
He said they say He said they send the paper, not be she o. He said they send the paper, not be she. They said they send the paper. Which one you can't put for your head? Where life for your head? Me, I said I waited for 6 months. Paper not come meet me. Mama Gladys said they go send paper. Come paper where they take give me muta. He said they give me muta. Everybody wey go the marriage they give them muta. Say they go pay muta. I waited for 6 months. I waited till now. I'm still waiting. Normal in Italian law. Normal for Italian law. If you get case 3 months, your paper don't come out. 4 months, they don't serve you paper for your house. Say yes, you get so case. No, talk and say I wait for 6 months. Mama Gladys said they go bring paper come. Where the paper not see? Mama Gladys Udo Sorie, Udo Sorie, many years ago. Wetin make Gladys not feel better for life? Where carry money go Africa, take go fuck boy. Carry money almost 70,000 euro, take go fuck black boy for Nigeria. He talk like saying a lie. When he can't bend the words. He can't bend words. Gladys, the time why they wait, he don't ripe for Gladys. Time why they wait for Gladys, he don't ripe. I'm not Gladys, you don't go see paper. You do paper when you say they give the paper, not be she. She they want to send paper corner. Gladys, you don't go see paper where they go send come for you bet. Just wait. You go wait. You know what they call underscore level. Now that bullet, now they true miss you. For all the old babati people where you don't do bad for all this old time. Prison where you don't fair go many years ago. You forget say you fair go prison. Gladys forget say she fair go prison many years ago. Gladys she's a killer. She don't fair keep person. She don't fair go prison many years ago. Who not just they see. Where they wait talk like full everywhere. I come outside since then. I just make they wait. I they check my answer. Gladys said they go send paper come. The paper not gree come. Muta paper not come. Wait till you don't know one, you don't know two. You carry. You say you don't call Sindako. Your husband when you marry not be Sindako. Not be Sindako, not be Italo or Igbo. Not be Italo. Not be Sindako. She see this girl matter now. She see another girl matter. This Lizzie Obede when they do a care matter. He go they watch the girl. He go they watch the girl video. He go they learn from there. As she take the salmon black Ekia. She go they watch from me. No, they wanted the fuck black they go. He do na come outside. He come back do the girl video. And say she really feel pity for the girl that whether she's consent or whatever, and that similar thing has happened to her. That was why she did not leave her daughter Sabrina. When you know years when your daughter take this virgin. Gladys don't even know when the pikin take this virgin. She don't even know when she take virgin. During those times when mama dey carry, when mama dey cook food. Gladys mama dey cook food they say during those years. When mama give her food, make go serve, give people where they work. Now inside they disgwagwaram. When they say he talk say he don't fuck when they say he talk say he don't fuck her, what did she fit do? She fit come and challenge her. She fit come outside challenge her. When they say he talk say he don't fuck her, she come outside challenge her. Gladys, your time don't ripe. Your cup, it don't full. It don't full Yakata. It don't full. When they say for I say describe as a Mekus be. As a Mekus be, I say describe him. She not fit cause her. You know, she don't know when she is virgin. She they say she was indirectly, she's trying to say maybe she was also molested at a teenager age. Now lie. The man Italo. Okay, maybe you wait they reply me, they say the man Italo. Maybe now you be the Gladys. Maybe that fake account you say they watch me so. I don't fucking care. Whether na Italo you marry, not marry Italo, I don't fucking care. People wey know her. People wey know her were for Torino before. They give me her gist. They wey know her for Torino, don't drop her gist. She said paper. Me, I get muta. She said they go pay people muta. She was even vibrating. You will not know anything. You don't know law. You dey country where you dey, you don't know the law for inside Italo. You don't know law. You don't know law for inside Italo. But now you can come outside, call the judge. Call the judge for Italo people. Call the judge for Italo people when you don't know law for the country. You the judge. You will be prisoner. You don't fair go prison. You put your sister for. You know, Gladys never fair do manyash. Gladys never fed do manyash. She never fed do manyash. Gladys reach where they can't Joe Orioba. Gladys reach where they can't Joe Orioba. You know the way you say you send message, go me or send video, go me to you. Now you want to send video, you know not better pass you. You know the better pass, you know not be Orioba, but Gladys now Orioba. Because she don't do so many atrocities. She don't do many things where say people, many things the way she don't do hide, which she will never release. Many things the way she don't do hide, which she never release. I tell her that year, I say, wow, we no bake on Gladys, who can we no bake on me? He may ya a webo, he may via bola webo. Me and Gladys will go sweep, we'll carry broom. Gladys go take broom, me go take broom, we'll go sweep that juju. We'll go sweep that juju for Gladys. And Gladys, bola webo nowhere. Bola webo no Gladys because that video pass. People beg me say me I never do video, me I never reply to her. Now wait. They say make I wait till paper where they say wait Gladys Muta where Gladys say they go bring come for me. It's in Muta don't come. Now I can't wait. I don't wait wish Muta not come. Not be you be Sindako, we sign marriage. Not be you be Italo, we sign marriage. You carry the matter that time. You carry him. You carry the matter. You use and rob everywhere. You use and insult. She use and insult who she want insult. You understand? She use and insult who she never insult. The thing called the rain for her. The thing is sweet for Gladys. He called it sweet for her. If your matter, now go bend, now go kick Gladys, now go bend Gladys' neck. Gladys, if your matter, now go bend your neck. And matter your hand do it. Some presenter, many of them know truth. Many of our presenters, they know truth. Maybe they talk truth, they come out. Not be lie. Maybe she Italo government. Now she be Italo government. Now she be Italo government now. Now Gladys all of us where they Italo they hands. Everybody where they Italo yet. Now Gladys hand with day. Now she be governor. You understand? Yes, not be lie. I be baby for Europe as a talk. Really, thank you. I be baby for Europe. Not be lie. I can't miss Gladys for Europe. But also where Gladys also wait till use and do. Also where she does wait till use and do go carry 70,000 euro. Say fuck ma for Nigeria. I wanna not hear the story. Also where Gladys do also. This saga na me and Gladys saga. Hey, people plenty where they come saga. Saga never start so. Many people are still coming when want to do saga. The platform is open for everybody to do their saga. The platform is open for everybody to do saga. People see they now when they come when want to do saga. People are still on the way coming. Saga. This saga go full, go bomb. Many people just they arrange their own. People just they arrange their own. They all they arrange what they want to talk. They never arrange their own finish. Human trafficker, you know human traffic. Okay, now those days they say you know the year of human trafficker again. No, not the year of human trafficker again. That one is by the way. We're not talking about human trafficker. But Lala, where Gladys they talk. Matter we not concern Gladys, where my Gladys they put heads. Make una wanna make she desist from it. Make she desist from it. If not, juju paper where she they talk, just now say, nah people, now they serve juju paper, they never serve her. Her own is on the way. She be Orionba. She be Orionba. Gladys na Orionba. Gladys usually comes John Orionba because me I don't wait since they are say at least and me as you talk wetin be name wetin be name that one wey dey talk just now wey no even know anything for inside abeg help me put all of them for washing machine. I dey tell you that one wey dey talk just now let me look what is her name again. Samuel Francis. I dey tell you now because Gladys na your fans. Help me tell am say matter wey no concern am wey she dey put mouth make she no dey put mouth for people matter wey no concern am. Make she dey try to do proper investigation. Make she dey try to do proper investigation ojewe. Where go she also say she never thief for Potasu. The time she thief for Potasuza market to call. Mama Love not talk about her story. Una no hear when Mama Love talk about her story some years ago. Only she, everything dey inside her hand as una just see am. As una just see am. Oma Deveba Mara Rabi guy. Oma debe ba, oma rora bi gai. Ekini wae na gwa be la dia wi yan be to gun oni agbete o jegwe. The thing I say I just vex now sir. This woman come outside, come outside, come carry Iyore, say that now people now they send paper, not be she. You reach where they send paper for? Iyore not better pass you, 100%. What do you don't do for us? Go check what Iyore don't do from Lagos to Benin. What do you don't do? May I not even use Iyore? May I use myself as a point? May I use myself as an example? What do you don't do? You don't do all half of what I don't do. She never do half of what I don't do. Come outside. The someone that she take make money for Europe. She waste time. Use all money to fuck man. Use and fuck black boy. Now all those ones now they spoil this country. Now they spoil this country. Mama Gladys, they be old school, old tele for Italy. 80s. He never reach. She did small pikin. Now small pikin age. Now they take her and come Europe. A baby or higher man small pikin age. She don't even know virginal. She dey say, I feel her pain. Lizzie Obedi, the one that say Ekia matter. I feel her pain. She send you to feel her pain. Did she send you? She send you make you feel her pain. She send you. She's there. She just come out on her own. Mona leave her, make she dey. She come out on her own. You leave her, make she dey. Not they carry her own, they come out. Why you not first talk before that you were molested as a teenager? You don't first talk before? Because you say Lizzie, don't talk am. Now you want to come outside, can't talk your own. Where you like full your mouth. Here and there. Or you both marry yourself, no as you take the talk like that. But the poor man, what do you want to talk? What did the poor man want to talk? He don't already did there, He don't did there, the man they bear, he they bear the pay they go. You know it's us. And secondly, Ugo, Odogu, Akataka. Una they hear that name? Ugo, one mama, Odogu, Akataka. That one a baba, that one a papa, father. Many body not put hand for a matter. If una put hand for a matter, if they put hand for a matter, they go collect. As Nigeria do, as Nigeria don't was fish this present time. How many times you don't come outside talk about the video? How many times they never swear put for palace? They not swear put, but the killing is still going on. Curtis killing is still going on in Nigeria. You not see and go talk put. The so-called useless paper, all those so-called priests, juju priests, ayelala or gbogbo, all those 419 people. Many of them are 419. And they tell now. Many of them are 419. Go give the person where they read they sick. Read sickness, they don't go feel healer. They go shop money. They don't go feel healer. But those say now call the happy say they serve on juju people now one respond to. As Odogu Akataka, that is my father. As he talk, he said anybody serve a juju paper, he go use paper to smoke tobacco. He say he go tear and he go take sap, he go take smoke tobacco. Say juju. Because of church. Okay, tomorrow now send our church. Next one now send our juju. Gladys Amadi, I'm telling you, Gladys Amadi Constantino, we say in Akakabo. Gladys na Orionba. I dey tell God if una no know Gladys na Orionba because why? She don't do bad to her own blood. She don't treat her own blood bad. Person if he get mad, treat her own blood bad. That person, what you want call am? Wetin una go call that kind of human being? Wey be say wetin she no know to be truth, she will come out for social media call dey talk am. She no dey do proper investigation about any video wey she want to show. Just come outside. She will come outside because she want talk. Now her mouth white pass. All those one wey be say many of our Nigeria men for Europe here, they don't disgwangwaram. Many of our Nigerian men for Italy, they don't disgwangwaram. You know the shame. Make her man know with Gladys. Okay, maybe when I do here, who we are then we few boy you in yakan. And matter that Gladys matter never ends. It never ends for my mind. Nana me and Gladys one Satan. When in yakan who few boy Gladys. Hey Gladys, when in yakan who few boy. I don't wait for paper we say the one break on the time don't come, but the paper not come. The paper not come. I think say the mutter. Where the mutter paper now? The mutter paper not come. You know, say as your life be. You know, say as they talk lie. No, say as Gladys they talk lie. She not be human being. She not be human being. She's not supposed to be called one. She not supposed to be called. As soon as a betrayer, she don't betray many of her friends. You get one of her old friends. The lady did for Potasusa for Torino. One of her old friends, he did Potasusa for Torino. As Gladys they betray her. When Gladys go prison, now those women, now that person stand, they would help Gladys to take off Pikin that year. But at the end when she come and she not betrayed them. She betrayed the woman. He betrayed them. This message goes to Gladys. Gladys, okay, maybe when I do okay, oje kita. Person will just say life. Una will just comment. They will just comment. Who just say and say comment? They go say, hey, Gladys. I not say for this world. I not say for this time. This time what we just do. I not say people love saga. Yes. People just this house. They love saga. And we are ready to give you a bulk. The old saga what una want. We ready to give una the old saga in bulk. Ima amwenuwa or ye bim. Ima every day more you release the saga they come out. Gladys, your time don't ripe. Better now you be the next person. Awebo yank bolo noe. Awebo yank bolo ne. Wetin his sister go do am. Mona watch. Mona go remember the day where I mentioned the women wanna go mark this date down. Wetin go happen to Gladys. Mona go mark am down. Because of many evil things wey she don't do. She don't do many evil things for this time. She don't do many evil. Many evil don't do people many evil. Crazy person. Crazy person can't come outside. I see your thing. I'm not going to this. You know why you disvirgin? You know who disvirgin you? She don't know who disvirgin now. Can't come outside, can't they talk. Smelling yash, fat fool. If we wanna go watch her previous pictures, wanna go look all her videos. She know not say they make up. Not true Monica and Lolo. Then she call they learn makeup. She know not say they make up. Oh yeah, be me. She ain't be. She not say she be. I'm way back, shapeless human being. I'm way back. I don't wait now. Paper not come Gladys. You know, as you useless. I don't wait past 6 months. Normal in Italian law, normal 3 to 4 months. You don't see your paper. I don't wait past 6 months. So paper not come. Then make a call this in and say, so this woman now just idiot. I'm telling you, I mean everything that I'm saying. I waited for 6 months. The paper where Gladys said they want break up for me not come. I'm coming. Sorry, my people. I waited for 6 to... We are in the 8th month now, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I waited. Paper where Gladys said they want break on. You not come o. Make una see as human being just dey life. Life go full inside nyash. As she say they shit for toilet, so she say shit all her sense. So when we say from generation to generation, a mad person she be, and she will continue to dey mad. She go continue to dey mad. Where her way? Iyore better pass you. You carry Iyore matter, come put am for head. She say Iyore send you. Iyore send you. Instead when you go meet Iyore dey beg. Instead when you go meet my brother, your Igbo brother, they greet you. You be my Igbo brother. My Igbo brother, I greet you. One day, Odo you. How your side? You understand? Make una see the way person go just carry come outside. They talk wetin they know. Wetin all yours dey. Wetin never happen. Wetin never happen. She go carry am come and say the thing happen. She go paint the thing black and red. He go paint am. If she don paint am, the people go come feel say maybe na truth. Na God go punish your generation. You will see am paper is coming from you. You will be the next. Now you go be the next. And if your own call, they will use you sweep. Your own now will get forgiveness. Gladys, if you're the day where your rain fall, you know your rain already fall. Now you no go ever get forgiveness. You no go get forgiveness. Raya no si kakobi si ropa mami pe. Wewe gbe mi pe badungwe. Wewe gbe mi o. Who be me? Because no ya tori. Who tori ma? You tori ma. Orion Ba. From today go you they don't declare and Orion Ba. All of them will be the Orion Ba. Eh? Sorry, Gladys. I mean Gladys. They don't declare and Orion Ba. You not be Orion Ba. You the way Gladys put in matter for her. You not be Orion Ba. When I know the meaning of Orion Ba. So they say Orion Ba, Orion Ba, Orion Ba. When I know the meaning. When I know the meaning of Orion Ba. Eh? Gladys don't do so many atrocities we classify her to be Orion Ba. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. He says some of you Benin people. What was this? Let me see, read this comment. He says some of you Benin people are confused on which God save, on which God to save. Today you people will preach the Bible to your viewers, and tomorrow you people will go back to Juju. You go and say that because she's the one that always quotes Bible. It is Mama Gladys always quotes Bible. Are you guys not watching her? Before she will say 1 or 2, 3 words, she will say, go to the book of Revelation, enemy, or the book of enemy. The book of enemy. Now she they preach Bible. Now she they quote Bible, John her own. Now she they quote Bible. You just say they quote Bible. Any platform where they quote Bible, people know they watch. Now saga they watch. Now saga people want watch. Ah, okay. He say, wetin Kakabo still do again? Wetin Kakabo do again? March. He said March. One of the year about coronavirus marriage. Where my name? Where the way he take carry my name come and say I did coronavirus marriage. I call am say wetin you want her to talk come and so e no good. Rest of the matter. She say na lie. She say na lie. She even record my voice go play. She say they go give us muta. I waited for 3 months. Muta no come. 4 months. 5, 6, 7, 8. Muta wey Gladys say the one break on don't come. Gladys, she was the one that said she caught Sindako. He say he don't call Sindako now. I put on, wanna go watch that. The video is still on here. The video still there on here. Wanna go watch her. Now be she thought say she don't already call Sindako. Say they will give all of the Muta. Where Muta? Where Muta now? Muta not come. Mona say as her brain. As soon as you say her brain, she they use all her brain where she take her brain where she's supposed to take the reason. She they use her take the shit every day for. She they use her take the shit to wait for toilets. She they use her brain where she's supposed to take the talk word of wisdom to people. She use them take the shit to wait for toilets. Now look, she gets say I'm not that close to her. We not that close to. We not dey the same boundary. Now beat every day I'll go the wait for Fermata. Every day I'll go the waiter for bus stop, I'll dey beat am. Every day I'll go the beat am for bus stop, I'll go waiter, I go beat am. I go beat am. E be like when they tell that small pikin say, what was her name again? They say if you see Buhari for worry, he say I go beat am. Now they for do am, but time still dey. Time still dey. Time when anything useful for her life, she no fit do am. She no fit make useful thing for her life. Many years for Europe, wetin she gain? Wanna ask am. Make una go ask am because me, I know many legacy about her. I know many things about her. When Efe talk, when Efe disgrace am, when Efe say he don't fuck am, Efe disgrace as Itotobi. She feel reply Efe. She feel reply Efe. Now we don't know this virgina. We don't know this virgina. Now just short message. Why I say I want grief? I beg. Orion Ba wey dey call Yore no be Orion Ba, na Gladys be Orion Ba. Gladys. Na Gladys be Orion Ba. Gladys na Orion Ba. Gladys Orion Ba. Kedene na ba eni ka o e Orion Ba. Eni ka o yan e Gladys Orion Ba for today go na Gladys be Orion Ba. They also dey serve am paper na Ocean. Now the year where Gladys they go out and that year they buy ticket I'll follow and go out. Me and she now they see the video face to face where the way I will drag and go Juju Palace. Me and not give a paper now. Me and what they do social media paper. So I can't serve paper through social media. Never. Me and I gotta go Nigeria. She go Nigeria. She'll surprise who they go hold and wait me. I'll buy ticket go meet her. I'll buy tickets. I'll go meet her. I'll drag and go down the video and now they see all of them for video. I greet you, my brothers and sisters. I greet all of you. May God bless you. I just say make I just this something come there get as e be. I'm waiting for her. I know say after this video she go see this video, or maybe she's already watching it. I'm waiting for her video. I dey wait for her video. I don't say na me be Papa Saga. 100 years to come, 10 years to come, I remain Papa Saga. Papa Saga, they use that take the shop. I am one man. Well, no. That's why in this life, Saga no fit end. Saga King permits to rest to report. Report. Carry on. You are free to report. Time to come. Una go see am. Time to come. Una go see am. Saga, you know the end. Many people are still on the way. Mr. DJ, please, can I have some good music there? Some people are still on the way.